Good morning, class. We are doing chapter number 5, lines and angles. Okay, you have completed the exercise 5.1. Now your next topic is parallel lines. What are parallel lines? Two lines are said to be parallel if they are coplanar or they do not intersect each other. This is a line A, okay, and this is a line B. You are saying that these lines do not intersect each other. That's why these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay. Next main point is that the distance between these two lines is always same as if they produce to it any extent. Okay. If we produce this line to any extent, suppose I have produced A to C and B to D. It means that the distance between these two lines will always be the same. Okay. Now your second is intersecting line. What is intersecting line? Okay. Suppose this is a line L and this is a line M. You know that this line L and M are intersecting at a common point. Suppose this is a O. You are seeing that the L and M are intersecting at a point O. Okay. Now what is intersecting line? Two lines L and M are intersecting at a common point O. This common point is known as the point of intersection. Okay class? This is called intersecting line. Now topic is transversal of parallel lines. Okay. There is a activity, that activity, what it is? This is a line L and this is a line M. This is a line P. What it is given that you have to take a sheet paper. Okay, you have to take a sheet paper. Then you have to draw two parallel lines. Okay, you have to take a sheet paper and you have to draw two lines L and M. Okay, now you have to draw a transversal line P. Okay, so you have to take a sheet and you have to draw a line L and M. And you have to draw a transversal line P. Okay, what you will do next? You will label angle 1 and angle 2. Okay class? Your next topic is transversal of parallel line. Okay, you have to take a sheet paper and you have to draw a line L and a line M and a transversal line P. And you have to label angle 1 and angle 2. Now next what you have to do, you have to slide a tracing paper. You have to slide the paper, then you will see there are many lines. What tracing? Okay, when you slide the tracing line, you will find that angle and this is M. You will find that this is angle. Pair of cross coordinate angle will measure equal. Okay. Now your next property is, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal line P, each pair of alternate interior angle will be measured equal. Okay. Now the next property is, if two parallel lines L and M are transversal by P, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. It means that alternate interior angle, angle 1 is equal to angle 0. Okay, they are alternate interior angle. They are alternate interior angle, then their angles will be equal. Okay. Now your third property is that if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal line P, then each pair of angles on a transversal line will be supplementary. Okay. It means that your next property is, if two parallel lines L and M are cut by a transversal line P, then each pair of interior angle of the transversal line will be same as a supplementary. Your next topic is, your next property is, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal line P, then their pair of interior angle on the same side of transversal will be supplementary. Okay. It means that angle 3 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. Okay. Okay. It means that angle 3 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. Supplementary. Okay class. Okay class. This is the property of transversal of parallel lines. Okay. Angle 3 is vertical to angle 7. Okay. Vertical class, this is exercise 5.2, question number first. State a property that is used in each of the following statement. Okay, I am explaining you first, then you have to do second and third by yourself. Okay, your question is, if A is parallel to B, then angle 1 is equals to angle 5. You have to tell me which property is this. Okay, as it is give solution first. It is given that A is parallel to B. Okay, then angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Which property is this? Angle 1 is equals to 5. It is corresponded angle. Okay, corresponding angle. How it is corresponding angle? As I have explained you that if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal line P. Okay, suppose this is a P. Two parallel lines are cut by the transversal line P. Each pair of corresponding angles are equal in measure. Okay class, angle 1 is equals to angle 5. If angle 1 is 80 degree, then angle 5 will also be 80 degree because their measure are equal. Okay class. Second is your, if angle 4 is equals to angle 6, then A is parallel to B. Angle 4 is equals to angle C, then A is parallel to B. You have to tell about which property is this. And next is, if angle 4 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree, then angle A is parallel to B. You have to tell which property is this. Okay class, you have to do question number 1 in your notebook. Okay, and please watch the video also. Okay class, and part of question number 1 part second and third you have to do yourself in your notebook. Okay, and question number second also. Thank you class.